In the quiet rustle of the forest, a leaf dances. But this dance is not just a whimsical play, it's a silent yet vital story of life. Each leaf is a living testament to nature's resilience, a microcosm of life's vibrant cycle, and a splash of color on the canvas of the earth. Imagine a leaf, a simple construction of nature, a tiny piece of the grand puzzle. It begins its journey as a bud, a promise of life emerging from the stern solidity of a tree. As it unfurls, it reveals a unique pattern of veins, like a roadmap of life. It's a journey that starts with the first blush of spring, where the leaf is a tender green, full of youthful energy. The leaf's existence is an intriguing dance with nature, a ballet that starts with the gentle sway in the spring breeze and matures into a fiery tango with the autumn wind. The leaf changes costumes with each season. From the fresh green of spring, it transitions into the deep lushness of summer. When autumn arrives, it puts on a spectacular show, dressing in hues of gold, orange, and red, painting landscapes with a riot of colors. The leaf is not just a performer, but also a lifeline. It breathes life into the ecosystem, absorbing sunlight and exhaling oxygen, making our world a little greener, a little fresher. It's a silent hero, working tirelessly, asking for nothing in return. But the leaf's dance doesn't end with the fall. Even in its final act, it contributes to the circle of life. As it falls to the ground, it transforms into a nutrient-rich blanket, nourishing the soil, fostering new life, ensuring the dance goes on. So the next time you see a leaf dancing in the wind, remember it's not just a dance, it's a testament to the endless cycle of life and nature's resilience. As seasons change, so does the leaf, marking the rhythm of time and life. At the heart of a leaf's dance, there's a grand spectacle of transformation, photosynthesis. This process, simple in its explanation but complex in its execution, is a testament to the marvels of nature. It's the leaf's way of preparing a meal, using sunlight as the main ingredient. But how does this happen? In the leaf's microscopic kitchens called chloroplasts, the magic of photosynthesis unfolds. These tiny powerhouses contain a pigment called chlorophyll, the substance that gives leaves their green hue. Chlorophyll has an extraordinary ability. It can absorb sunlight and convert it into usable energy. But sunlight alone isn't enough. The leaf also needs water and carbon dioxide. Through tiny pores on its surface, known as stomata, the leaf breathes in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Meanwhile, water is drawn up from the roots, traveling a long journey through the stems to reach the leaves. Now, with sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide at its disposal, the leaf gets to work. In the chloroplasts, these ingredients come together in a chemical reaction. This reaction turns water and carbon dioxide into glucose, a type of sugar that serves as the plant's food. But the leaf's work doesn't stop at feeding itself. The photosynthesis process also produces a byproduct, oxygen. This oxygen is released back into the atmosphere through the stomata, providing a breath of fresh air for all living beings. In this way, every leaf is a tiny factory, producing food and oxygen while helping to regulate the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide. It's a delicate and vital dance, one that sustains life on our planet. In this grand scheme of transformation, a leaf becomes an architect of life, crafting energy from mere sunlight. It's a testament to the intricate and beautiful design of nature, where even the smallest players have significant roles. So the next time you see a leaf dancing in the wind, remember, it's not just a dance, but a marvel of life-sustaining transformation. The leaf does not merely exist, it thrives, harnessing the power of the sun in a captivating solar symphony. In the grand orchestra of nature, each leaf plays a crucial role, conducting a concert of conversion, transforming sunlight into life-giving energy. This process, known as photosynthesis, is the leaf's secret to living in harmony with the sun. The leaf is a master of resource management, utilizing the sun's energy to its fullest. The sun's rays shower the leaf with particles of light called photons. These tiny packets of energy are the starting point of a remarkable journey. The leaf captures these photons using chlorophyll, a pigment that gives the leaf its green color and acts as a solar panel of sorts, absorbing energy from the sunlight. This energy then sets off a chain reaction within the leaf. It breaks apart water molecules in the leaf, freeing oxygen atoms to be released into the atmosphere and hydrogen atoms to be used within the leaf. This hydrogen is then combined with carbon dioxide from the air to create glucose, a type of sugar which serves as a store of energy for the plant. This glucose is the lifeblood of the plant, providing the energy it needs to grow and reproduce. The process of photosynthesis not only sustains the individual plant, but also contributes to the larger cycle of life. The oxygen it releases is vital for all oxygen-breathing organisms, including US humans, and the glucose it produces feeds herbivores, which in turn feed carnivores, thus supporting the entire food chain. The leaf's solar symphony is a testament to the intricate balance of nature. It may seem like a simple, unassuming part of a plant, but it's a powerhouse of energy conversion and a cornerstone of life on Earth. In its silent symphony, the leaf narrates a tale of energy, life, and unending cycles. In the grand tapestry of life, the leaf weaves its own unique thread. As simple as they may seem, leaves are vital players in our planet's grand performance. They don't merely exist for their own sake, but rather, they act as critical contributors to the biodiversity and the overall health of our ecosystem. Leaves exist in a symbiotic relationship with countless creatures. Birds build nests in leafy canopies, while insects feed on their sap and use them as shelter. Even when a leaf falls to the ground, it continues to give back to the environment. The fallen leaf decomposes, enriching the soil with nutrients and providing nourishment for the smallest of organisms, the decomposers, which in turn feed other life forms, creating a cycle of life. Moreover, leaves also act as the lungs of the planet. Through the process of photosynthesis, they absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, and release oxygen, which we all breathe. This not only helps to regulate the planet's climate, but also sustains life on Earth. But their role doesn't stop there. Leaves also contribute to the planet's water cycle. When they transpire, releasing water vapor into the atmosphere, they help to create clouds, which eventually lead to rainfall, replenishing our water supplies. And let's not forget their role in food chains and food webs. They are the primary producers, the base of all food chains. By converting sunlight into energy-rich substances through photosynthesis, they provide sustenance for a wide range of organisms, from the tiniest insects to the largest herbivores. In the intricate web of nature, each leaf adds a stroke of life, a dash of color, and a breath of fresh air. So, the next time you see a leaf, remember, it's not just a part of a tree or a plant. It's a key player in the complex and beautiful symphony of life. Each leaf, in its humble dance, holds a world of wonders and a wealth of wisdom. Look closely, and you'll see that each leaf is a testament to the circle of life, a microcosm of the larger ecosystem it is a part of. It's not just a mere appendage of a tree, but a vital powerhouse that fuels life on Earth. Leaves, with their intricate networks of veins, are the lifeblood of our environment, the unsung heroes of the natural world. They're the green engines of our planet, turning sunlight into food, absorbing carbon dioxide, and releasing oxygen. This process, known as photosynthesis, is the fundamental building block of life as we know it. But their role extends beyond that. Leaves form a crucial part of the food chain, providing sustenance to a myriad of creatures, from the smallest insects to the largest herbivores. They serve as natural recyclers, breaking down into rich, fertile soil that nourishes new life. In their quiet, unassuming way, leaves help regulate the Earth's climate. Forests, teeming with leaves, act as the planet's lungs, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide and helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. They also play a significant role in maintaining the water cycle, with leaves acting as mini reservoirs that release water back into the atmosphere. Yet we often overlook the value of these silent warriors. We take for granted the oxygen they provide, the shade they offer, the beauty they bring. It's easy to forget that without leaves, life as we know it would cease to exist. Preserving each leaf, each tree, each forest is not just about preserving nature. It's about preserving life itself. For in the dance of a leaf, there is a story of life, of energy, and of an unbroken promise to the future.